AI Robotics Explained 2026. How intelligent robots are transforming the world. Imagine walking into a factory where robots build cars with incredible precision. Imagine a warehouse where robots organize thousands of products every hour. Imagine a hospital where robotic systems assist surgeons during delicate procedures. Imagine a farm where robots help monitor crops and improve productivity. This is not a movie. This is the world of AI robotics. Artificial intelligence is giving robots the ability to perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and assist humans with increasingly complex tasks. Around the world, factories, hospitals, warehouses, research laboratories, farms, space agencies, and technology companies are investing billions of dollars into AI-powered robotics. But what exactly is AI robotics? How do intelligent robots work? Will robots replace human workers? What are the benefits? What are the risks? And what does the future look like? Let's find out. First, what is AI robotics? AI robotics combines robotics with artificial intelligence to help machines perceive information, learn from data, make decisions, and perform tasks with greater flexibility. A traditional robot follows pre-programmed instructions. An AI-powered robot can adapt to changing situations using information from sensors and software. Now let's understand why AI robotics is important. Many jobs involve repetitive, dangerous, or physically demanding work. Robots can assist in these environments, helping improve safety and efficiency. Humans continue to supervise, maintain, and improve robotic systems. Now let's discuss manufacturing. Modern factories use robots for tasks such as welding, assembling products, painting, packaging, and quality inspection. AI helps optimize these processes and improve accuracy. Human engineers oversee production and resolve complex problems. Now let's move to healthcare. Some robotic systems assist surgeons by providing enhanced precision during certain procedures. Others help transport medical supplies or support rehabilitation. Medical professionals remain responsible for patient care and treatment decisions. Now let's discuss warehouses. E-commerce companies manage millions of products. AI-powered robots help move inventory, organize storage, and prepare orders more efficiently. People still manage logistics, planning, and customer service. Now let's talk about agriculture. Farmers use robotic systems to monitor crops, identify weeds, optimize irrigation, and support harvesting. These technologies help improve productivity while reducing waste. Now let's discuss self-driving technology. Autonomous vehicles use sensors, cameras, maps, and AI to understand their surroundings. Development and deployment continue under testing and regulatory oversight in many places. Safe operation remains a major priority. Now let's move to space exploration. Robotic systems explore environments that are difficult or dangerous for humans. They collect scientific information, operate equipment, and support research missions. AI helps these systems perform tasks with greater autonomy. Now let's discuss home robots. Some robots assist with cleaning, lawn care, security monitoring, and other household tasks. Future home robots may become more capable, but they are still tools designed to assist people. Now let's cover common misconceptions. Misconception number 1. Robots will replace every job. In reality, automation changes jobs while also creating new roles in engineering, maintenance, software, design, and operations. Misconception number 2. AI robots think like humans. Current AI systems perform specialized tasks. They do not possess human understanding or consciousness. Misconception number 3. Robots never make mistakes. Like any technology, robotic systems require testing, monitoring, and maintenance. Misconception number 4. Only large companies use robotics. Today, businesses of many sizes are adopting automation for specific tasks. Now let's imagine the future. Factories may become safer and more efficient. Hospitals may receive new robotic assistance tools. Farmers may improve food production. Scientists may explore oceans and space more effectively. Businesses may automate repetitive tasks while creating new opportunities for skilled workers. Artificial intelligence will continue expanding the capabilities of robotics, but people will continue providing creativity. Ethics, leadership, and innovation. Remember this. Robots perform tasks. Humans create purpose. AI increases efficiency. People solve meaningful problems. The future isn't about robots replacing humans. It's about humans working alongside intelligent machines to build a better world. Learn robotics. Understand AI. Stay adaptable. Because the future of work belongs to people who know how to work with technology, not fear it. Thank you for watching.